we did not make it to the bird show like I wanted. But I had Rory walk through the...
Did I ask? Just kidding. Walk through what?
The bird walkthrough. Remember we did it one time?
Oh, yeah.
She really enjoyed that.
That's nice.
She loves the monkey. Literally every time I go, I haven't seen a tiger once.
Maybe.
I'm convinced they say they have a tiger, but there's no tiger there. She played on the playground for a minute.
Oh, why are you doing that? Testing 1, 2, 3. This is for Jason Derulo. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I have Rory coming my way. She is gonna ruin this shot, but it's okay. Rory, come here, come here. Come here. What's that? Are you wearing a Messi jersey? And a dog? What's the dog name? What's the dog name? What's the dog's name? Tell me. What's his name? Jason? Ah, got it, Jason D.